Hi, good morning everyone. I'm Risa Engstrom from Yahoo.com. Subscribes. I have a simple recipe today for people has the cupping because I've been cupping almost 2 weeks now. I'm just worried because the coronavirus right now is all over the world. And then I searched some few ingredients to have for your cup and dry for your dry throat, which is I have a cup and a little bit dry on my throat. But right now I I've been drinking this one kind of herbals, oregano. It's help. It because this all the 7 ingredients, the herbal medicines is due for concentration of um, proteins plants compound that help fight the viruses and were favorites of practitioners natural medicines. This help to fight the virus like oregano, mint, parsley, the basil, and mint. It's all herb. And then I added the lemon with garlic. I have a garlic, so just like smash the garlic. And then I have a peppermint tea. I mix the peppermint tea to help my dry cough. And then which what I did, I do I boil it. This one here, I put all together. I mix all the oregano, rosemary, peppermint, mint, basil, what else? Garlic, and ginger, and I'll put a little bit peppermint tea, and I added a little bit of honey to a little bit sweet and everything's like that, and then hopefully I'll have for you have cupping because this all ingredient is all herbal things. When I search, it's concentrated of uh, proteins, plants to compounds or many to fight the viruses, which is I search, but right now I've been like it's help for me because like when I drink it help for my throat like kind of more not more dry. And then yeah, I hope hopefully you guys it helps a little bit if who wants people like try this one that try, it doesn't hurt to try medicines, herbal things. It's a good things too, and thank you for subscribe for wahoo.yahoo.com channels. Resigns from by and have a wonderful day. Hopefully in all the world they find the cure this all the virus. But yeah, and God bless it all.